In today's digital landscape, making money with YouTube Shorts has emerged as an exciting opportunity for content creators. Unlike traditional monetization methods that often require lengthy videos and extensive viewer engagement, YouTube Shorts offers a simpler and more accessible pathway to earning revenue. With the rise of short-form content, creators can quickly capture audience attention and potentially generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This video will delve into the unique methods and niches that can be leveraged to maximize earnings through shorts. We will explore various strategies that cater to different interests and demographics, showcasing how creators can tap into trending topics, challenges, and even educational content to attract viewers. By focusing on specific niches, such as cooking, fitness, or DIY projects, creators can build a dedicated audience that is more likely to engage with their content and, in turn, increase their earning potential. Choosing the right niche is crucial. It not only helps in standing out in a crowded marketplace but also ensures that the content resonates with viewers, leading to higher retention rates and more shares. Throughout this video, we will provide insights into how to identify profitable niches and the importance of aligning your content with your passions and expertise. By doing so, creators can maintain authenticity while also appealing to a wider audience. Additionally, we will discuss the significance of consistency and creativity in producing shorts that not only entertain but also inform and inspire. As we navigate through these unique methods, we will highlight success stories of creators who have effectively monetized their shorts, providing practical tips and actionable advice for viewers looking to embark on their own journey. Ultimately, the goal is to empower aspiring creators with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in the world of YouTube Shorts, emphasizing that with the right approach, anyone can turn their passion into profit. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, this video will equip you with the insights needed to make the most of this dynamic platform and unlock your earning potential through engaging short-form content. Monetizing YouTube Shorts involves understanding the fundamentals of how ad revenue operates within this unique format. Unlike traditional YouTube videos, where creators can earn money through ads placed before or during their content, Shorts monetization primarily revolves around the YouTube Shorts Fund and ad placements that appear in the Shorts feed. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a $100 million initiative designed to reward creators for their engaging short-form videos, allowing them to earn money based on the performance of their content. This means that creators can receive payments based on the number of views and engagement their shorts generate, making it essential to create captivating and shareable content that resonates with viewers. Potential earnings from YouTube Shorts can vary significantly, depending on factors such as the number of views, likes, comments, and shares. While the exact figures can fluctuate, creators have reported earning anywhere from a few dollars to several $1,000s monthly, depending on their audience size and engagement levels. The key to maximizing earnings lies in producing high-quality, entertaining, and relevant content that encourages viewers to interact and share. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts can also enhance viewer loyalty, leading to increased views and, consequently, higher earnings. In addition to understanding ad revenue and engagement, leveraging technology can significantly streamline the content creation process. One of the most exciting advancements in recent years is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, to assist creators in generating ideas, editing videos, and optimizing content for better performance. AI tools can analyze trending topics, suggest relevant hashtags, and even help with video editing, allowing creators to focus more on their creative vision rather than getting bogged down by technical details. By utilizing AI, creators can produce content more efficiently, ensuring they stay ahead of trends and maintain a consistent posting schedule, which is crucial for building an audience and increasing monetization opportunities. In summary, monetizing YouTube Shorts involves understanding ad revenue dynamics, maximizing engagement for potential earnings, and embracing AI technology to enhance content creation. By mastering these basics, creators can effectively navigate the world of YouTube Shorts and unlock new revenue streams while sharing their unique perspectives and talents with a global audience. Selecting the right niche for YouTube Shorts is crucial for creators aiming to maximize their reach and earnings. One of the most common mistakes creators make is choosing a niche based solely on trends or what seems popular at the moment, rather than aligning it with their genuine interests and expertise. This often leads to burnout and inconsistency, as creators may struggle to produce content that resonates with them personally. Additionally, many overlook the importance of audience engagement. Simply jumping on a trend without understanding the target audience can result in low viewer retention and minimal interaction, ultimately hindering growth. To identify profitable niches, creators should start by conducting thorough research. This involves analyzing current trends, exploring popular content within the YouTube Shorts ecosystem, and assessing what resonates with viewers. Tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and YouTube's own analytics can provide valuable insights into what topics are gaining traction. Furthermore, creators should consider their unique skills and passions, as these can help differentiate their content in a crowded marketplace. By combining personal interests with market demand, creators can carve out a niche that not only attracts viewers but also keeps them engaged over time. Several niches have proven successful for creators on YouTube Shorts. For instance, the cooking niche has exploded in popularity, with creators sharing quick recipes and cooking hacks that appeal to busy individuals looking for easy meal solutions. Similarly, the fitness niche has thrived, with short workout routines and health tips that cater to viewers seeking quick and effective ways to stay fit. Another successful niche is DIY and home improvement, where creators showcase simple projects that viewers can replicate, tapping into the growing interest in home decor and personal projects. Additionally, niches like personal finance and educational content have gained traction, as viewers seek quick tips and insights to improve their financial literacy or learn new skills. In conclusion, selecting the right niche for YouTube Shorts is essential for long-term success. By avoiding common pitfalls, conducting thorough research, and aligning personal interests with market demand, creators can identify profitable niches that resonate with their audience. With the right niche, creators can not only enhance their visibility but also foster a loyal community, ultimately leading to greater engagement and monetization opportunities. For new creators venturing into the world of YouTube Shorts, selecting beginner-friendly niches can significantly ease the content creation process while still attracting a wide audience. One such niche is funny stories, where creators can share humorous anecdotes or relatable experiences that resonate with viewers. This format is not only entertaining but also allows for creativity and storytelling, making it accessible for those who may not have extensive video production skills. Another popular niche is texting stories, where creators present fictional conversations or scenarios through text message formats. This engaging style captures viewers' attention quickly and can be produced with minimal resources, making it ideal for newcomers. AI tools can play a pivotal role in helping creators generate content quickly and efficiently. For instance, AI-driven platforms can assist in brainstorming ideas for funny stories or texting scenarios, providing prompts that spark creativity. Additionally, AI can help streamline the editing process by suggesting cuts, transitions, and even background music that enhances the overall viewing experience. By leveraging these tools, new creators can focus more on crafting engaging narratives rather than getting bogged down by technical aspects, allowing them to produce content at a faster pace. Several successful channels have thrived in these easy-to-create niches, serving as inspiration for aspiring creators. For example, channels dedicated to funny stories often feature creators who share personal experiences or fictional tales that evoke laughter and relatability. These channels typically enjoy high engagement rates, as viewers appreciate the humor and often share the content with friends. Similarly, channels focusing on texting stories have gained popularity by presenting captivating narratives that unfold through text messages, drawing viewers into the storyline. These channels often utilize eye-catching visuals and sound effects to enhance the storytelling experience, making them appealing to a broad audience. In summary, beginner-friendly niches like funny stories and texting stories offer new creators an excellent starting point for their YouTube Shorts journey. By utilizing AI tools to streamline content creation and drawing inspiration from successful channels in these niches, aspiring creators can quickly develop engaging content that resonates with viewers. With creativity and the right approach, new creators can carve out their space in the YouTube Shorts landscape, building a loyal audience while enjoying the process of storytelling. When exploring niches that offer higher earning potential on YouTube Shorts, two standout categories are celebrity drama and scary stories. The celebrity drama niche thrives on the ever-evolving world of entertainment, where creators can capitalize on trending news, gossip, and controversies surrounding popular figures. This niche attracts a vast audience eager to stay updated on the latest happenings in the celebrity world, making it a lucrative option for creators who can deliver timely and engaging content. By providing commentary, analysis, or even humorous takes on celebrity events, creators can draw in viewers and increase their chances of monetization through ad revenue and sponsorships. On the other hand, the scary stories niche taps into the universal appeal of fear and suspense. Creators in this category can share chilling tales, urban legends, or personal experiences that evoke a sense of thrill among viewers. The allure of scary stories often leads to high engagement, as audiences are likely to share these spine-tingling narratives with friends, further expanding the reach of the content. This niche not only captivates viewers but also encourages repeat visits, as fans return for more terrifying tales, enhancing the potential for consistent earnings. Seasonal trends can significantly impact earnings in these niches. For instance, the scary stories niche tends to see a surge in popularity during the Halloween season, as viewers seek out content that aligns with the spooky atmosphere. Creators can capitalize on this trend by producing themed content, such as ghost stories or horror-themed challenges, which can lead to increased views and higher ad revenue during this time. Similarly, celebrity drama can experience spikes in interest during major events like award shows or celebrity scandals, providing creators with opportunities to create timely content that resonates with viewers. Successful content within these niches often includes engaging storytelling, eye-catching visuals, and a strong connection with the audience. For example, channels that focus on celebrity drama may feature creators who provide in-depth analyses of celebrity relationships or breakdowns of viral moments, often garnished with humor and personality. In the scary stories niche, creators who effectively build suspense and use captivating visuals can create an immersive experience that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. In conclusion, niches like celebrity drama and scary stories present significant earning potential for creators willing to engage with trending topics and seasonal themes. By understanding audience interests and leveraging timely content, creators can maximize their earnings while building a loyal following in these captivating niches. When it comes to identifying lesser-known niches with significant earning potential on YouTube Shorts, life hacks and architecture stand out as promising options. The life hacks niche focuses on providing viewers with clever tips and tricks that simplify everyday tasks, making it a highly relatable and shareable category. Creators can explore a wide range of topics, from kitchen hacks to organization tips, appealing to a broad audience eager for practical solutions to common problems. This niche thrives on creativity and innovation, allowing creators to showcase their unique perspectives while delivering valuable content. On the other hand, the architecture niche offers a fascinating glimpse into design, construction, and innovative building techniques. While it may not be as mainstream as other categories, there is a growing interest in architecture, especially among those passionate about home design and urban planning. Creators can share insights into architectural styles, highlight stunning buildings, or even provide tutorials on basic design principles. This niche allows for a blend of education and inspiration, attracting viewers who appreciate aesthetics and functionality in their living spaces. Leveraging AI tools can significantly enhance content creation in both niches. For life hacks, AI can assist in generating ideas by analyzing trending topics and suggesting innovative hacks that resonate with viewers. Additionally, AI-driven video editing tools can streamline the production process, enabling creators to produce high-quality content quickly. In the architecture niche, AI can help creators visualize design concepts or even generate 3D models, making it easier to present complex ideas in an engaging manner. By utilizing these technologies, creators can focus on delivering compelling narratives while ensuring their content remains visually appealing and informative. Moreover, both niches present ample opportunities for affiliate marketing, which can further boost earnings. In the life hacks niche, creators can promote products that align with their hacks, such as kitchen gadgets, organizational tools, or cleaning supplies. By including affiliate links in their video descriptions, creators can earn commissions on sales generated through their recommendations. Similarly, in the architecture niche, creators can partner with brands that offer design software, home decor items, or construction materials, providing viewers with valuable resources while earning a commission for each referral. In summary, lesser-known niches like life hacks and architecture offer significant earning potential for creators willing to explore unique content areas. By leveraging AI for efficient content creation and tapping into affiliate marketing opportunities, creators can build a successful presence on YouTube Shorts while providing valuable insights and inspiration to their audiences. Integrating affiliate marketing into YouTube Shorts can be a powerful strategy for creators looking to monetize their content effectively. The key to successful affiliate marketing lies in promoting relevant products that resonate with your audience. When creators align their affiliate promotions with the content they produce, it enhances authenticity and increases the likelihood that viewers will engage with the recommendations. For instance, if a creator focuses on life hacks, they might promote kitchen gadgets or organizational tools that directly relate to the hacks being showcased. This relevance not only builds trust with the audience but also encourages them to consider purchasing the products, ultimately benefiting both the creator and the affiliate partner. There are numerous high-paying affiliate programs available that creators can tap into. For example, Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs, offering a vast range of products across various categories. Creators can earn commissions on anything from electronics to home goods, making it a versatile option for many niches. Another lucrative program is Share a Sale, which connects creators with a wide array of brands, including fashion, health, and beauty products. Additionally, platforms like ClickBank specialize in digital products, allowing creators to promote e-books, online courses, and software, often with higher commission rates than physical products. By selecting affiliate programs that align with their niche and audience interests, creators can maximize their earning potential. Encouraging viewers to think creatively about monetization strategies is essential for long-term success. Creators should consider integrating affiliate marketing into their content in innovative ways. For instance, they can create shorts that demonstrate how to use a product effectively, share personal experiences with the product, or even compare different items within a category. This approach not only provides value to viewers but also positions the creator as a knowledgeable source, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, creators can utilize call-to-action prompts, encouraging viewers to check the links in the description for exclusive deals or discounts, further incentivizing purchases. In conclusion, integrating affiliate marketing into YouTube Shorts requires a strategic approach focused on promoting relevant products that resonate with the audience. By exploring high-paying affiliate programs and encouraging creative monetization strategies, creators can enhance their earning potential while providing valuable content. With the right blend of authenticity and innovation, affiliate marketing can become a significant revenue stream for creators on the platform, allowing them to thrive in the competitive landscape of YouTube Shorts. In this video, we explored several key points that are essential for creators looking to succeed on YouTube Shorts. First and foremost, we emphasize the importance of niche selection. Choosing the right niche is crucial for attracting and retaining an audience, as it allows creators to focus on topics they are passionate about while also catering to viewer interests. We discussed how niches like celebrity drama, scary stories, life hacks, and architecture can offer varying degrees of engagement and earning potential. By aligning content with personal interests and market demand, creators can carve out a unique space in the crowded YouTube landscape. We also delved into effective monetization strategies, highlighting the significance of integrating affiliate marketing into content. Promoting relevant products not only enhances authenticity but also provides viewers with valuable recommendations that can lead to increased earnings. We shared examples of high-paying affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates and Share a Sale, which can help creators maximize their revenue potential. Additionally, we encouraged viewers to think creatively about their monetization strategies, suggesting innovative ways to incorporate affiliate promotions into their shorts while maintaining viewer engagement. As we wrap up, we encourage you to take action. If you found the insights shared in this video valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more content focused on maximizing your success on YouTube Shorts. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest tips, trends, and strategies that can help you thrive in this dynamic platform. We also invite you to explore related content that dives deeper into niche selection, monetization techniques, and content creation strategies, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed. Lastly, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Have you found a niche that works for you? What monetization strategies have you tried? Your insights could inspire fellow creators and foster a supportive community where everyone can learn and grow together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue to explore the exciting world of YouTube Shorts.